Hello everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. I hope you all are doing great. My name is Ritu Ratnam for those who are new here, and if you would like to know more about me and my channel, just go to the channel's description. I have received few mails from my subscribers, those who requested for grammar lesson. So in my previous video I discussed about the importance of spoken English. Today we will be learning about grammar. But here is one question. Is grammar important to speak English? Yes, definitely. Understanding basic grammar rules will definitely help you to improve your speaking and writing skill. So today we will be learning about tenses. Let's start. There are three tenses in grammar: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Alright, present tense, past tense and future tense, right? But today we are only going to learn about present tense. So there are four forms of present tense: present simple, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. I am repeating: present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Okay, but today we'll only talk about present simple tense. Okay, so what are the rules of present simple tense? What are the uses? Present simple tense. Okay, and what are the uses of this tense? So first use, we use present simple tense to talk about daily routines, or habits. Okay, second use, we use simple present tense to talk about feelings and emotions. All right. Third use, we use simple present tense to talk about universal facts and truths. Okay. Fourth use, we use simple present tense to talk about scheduled events. Okay, so these are four uses of present simple tense. First one, daily routines and habits. Second, feelings, emotions. Third, universal facts, truths. Fourth, scheduled events. Okay, now let's see some examples of present simple tense. First sentence I am writing: I go to school every day. Okay, I go to school every day. तो मैं क्या बता रही हूँ? अपनी डेली रूटीन बता रही हूँ. मैं हर रोज स्कूल जाती हूँ. ओके, तो ये क्या होगा? प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस होगा, डेली रूटीन. जब हम डेली रूटीन की बात करेंगे, प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस, आई गो टू स्कूल एवरी डे. नेक्स्ट, शी always eats breakfast at 8 a.m. Okay, so she is talking about her daily routine, daily habit. हर रोज 8 AM को वो अपनी ब्रेकफास्ट खाती है. She always eats breakfast at 8 AM. ये इसकी हैबिट है, डेली हैबिट है. ओके, another example. Sun rises in the east. ओके, सन राइजेज इन द ईस्ट. सन कहाँ राइज होता है? ईस्ट में राइज होता है. ये यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट है. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट. कभी भी आपने नॉर्थ से या साउथ से राइज होते हुए नहीं देखा है सन को, हमेशा ईस्ट में ही सन राइज होता है. तो दिस इज यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट एंड दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस. ओके, सन राइजेज इन द ईस्ट. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, सन gives us light. Okay, sun gives us light. तो ये क्या है? ट्रूथ है. ओके, वी ऑल नो दैट सन गिव्स अस लाइट. कभी भी सन लाइट के अलावा कुछ और नहीं दे सकता है. हमें डार्कनेस सन नहीं दे सकता है. तो दिस इज द ट्रूथ. सन गिव्स अस लाइट. ओके ओके, नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, मैरी feels happy. मैरी कैसा फील कर रही है? हैप्पी फील कर रही है. तो ये हमें क्या पता चलता है? इमोशन पता चलती है मैरी की. तो मैंने बताया था वी यूज सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस टू टॉक अबाउट फीलिंग्स. ओके, मैरी फील्स हैप्पी. नेक्स्ट, सैम arrives on Monday. Okay, so I told you we use simple present tense to talk about scheduled events. So here we are talking about scheduled events. Sam कब आ रहा है? Monday को आ रहा है. अभी वो आया नहीं है, आने वाला है. Okay, Sam arrives on Monday. So we are talking about scheduled events. All right. So what we have understood, we use simple present tense to talk about daily routine. I go to school every day. ये मेरी डेली रूटीन है. एंड देन टॉक अबाउट डेली हैबिट्स. शी ऑलवेज ईट्स ब्रेकफास्ट एट 8 AM. ये इसकी डेली हैबिट है. टू टॉक अबाउट यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट, सन राइजेज इन द ईस्ट. ओके, टू टॉक अबाउट ट्रूथ, सन गिव्स अस लाइट. देन टू शेयर आवर फीलिंग्स, मेरी फील्स हैप्पी. ओके, सो दिस इज द फीलिंग ऑफ मेरी. ऑल राइट, टू टॉक अबाut scheduled events, Sam arrives on Monday. All right, so we use simple present tense in all these contexts. Okay, now we'll see the structure of simple present tense. What is the structure of simple present tense? Just a moment. Okay, so here we have one sentence, I go to school every day. I go to school every day. So what is I here? I is subject. Okay, I is subject here. And what is go here? Verb. Go is verb. So subject plus verb. But can you tell me which form of verb is this? This is the first form of verb. Okay, there are three forms of verb: first form, second form, third form. Go, went, gone. This is the basic form of verb. So we use basic form of verb in simple present tense. Subject plus basic verb. Okay, this is subject and this is I is subject, go is basic verb, and these all are rest of the sentence. So this is the structure of simple present tense: subject plus basic verb plus rest of the sentence. Okay, so when subject is I, we use basic verb, and when subject is we, I, we, you or they, we also use basic verb. Okay, with I, we, you, they, we always use basic verb. Another example, she goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. So here what is subject? She is subject. Subject plus what is verb here? Goes. Go is the basic verb, but we have added es here. So when subject is she, we always use s or es with the basic verb. So basic verb with s or es plus rest of the sentence. She, subject, go basic verb with s or es, and then rest of the sentence. So this is the structure of present simple tense when there is subject is she, or when subject is she or he or it, we use this structure: subject plus basic verb plus s or es plus rest of the sentence. Okay. So here we have talked about only positive sentence, positive simple present tense. Now we'll talk about negative sentence. How we can form negative sentence in present simple tense. यहाँ एग्जाम्पल लेंगे हम. We eat mangoes. We eat mangoes. Okay. So here what is subject? We is subject. Then what is verb here? Eat. Basic verb plus rest of the sentence. Okay. So if we want to change it in negative sentence, how can we change it? We eat mangoes. So like this: we do not eat mangoes. Okay. So we have added here do not. We do not eat mangoes. और अगर हम इसे क्वेश्चन में चेंज करना होगा तो क्या करेंगे? डू वी ईट मैंगोज? डू वी ईट मैंगोज? डू वी ईट मैंगोज? तो यहाँ हमने क्या देखा? दिस इज पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस, दिस इज नेगेटिव सेंटेंस एंड दिस इज क्वेश्चन. ओके. We eat mangoes. We do not eat mangoes. Do we eat mangoes? All right. Okay, now see, we'll see another example. She eats apples. Okay, let me use another marker. She eats apples. Okay. तो यहाँ क्या है? She is subject. Eat verb, but we have added here s because subject is she. With she, he, it, we use basic verb with s or es. Then rest of the sentence. तो इसे अगर हमें नेगेटिव में चेंज करना है तो क्या करेंगे? She does not eat apples. Okay, she does not eat apples. Okay, and अगर हमें क्वेश्चन में चेंज करना है then what we will do? Does she eat apples? Okay, so here positive, she eats apples. Negative, she does not eat apples. Question, does she eat apples? Okay, so here we have added, we have used do with we. Okay, so whenever the subject is I, we, you, then we will use do, but the subject is, where the subject is he, she, it, then we'll use does. Okay. I hope you have understood the right uses of simple present tense. Now I have one exercise for you. Let's do it. She dash books every day. Verb is read. So what we'll write here? She reads. She reads books every day. Why reads? Because with he, she, it, we use basic verb with s or es. So here we have added s. She reads books every day. Alright. Next, the train dash at 7 p.m. Verb is arrive. The train arrive at 7 p.m. So what do we write here? Arrives. The train arrives. Why we have added es here? Because train is it. Okay, train is it. With he, she, it, we use s or es with basic verb. Okay, so basic verb is arrive, and here train is it, so we have added es, arrives. Next, the sun dash rise in the east. So here's what is sun? It. With it we use s or es, so sun rises. Sun rises in the east. Okay. Next, he dash have a car. In bracket we have not have. This is a negative sentence, so what we'll write here? He not have a car, or he does not have a car. Does not have a car. Or we can write in short, doesn't. He doesn't have a car. With he, she, it, we always use does. We don't use do. With I, we, you, we use do, and with he, she, it, we use does. He does not have a car. Alright. That's all for today. I have also given one exercise in the description box. You just need to click on the Google form and then you can do that. And please let me know how many points you have got in the comment section below. Thank you each one of you for supporting my channel so far. I will see you soon with another grammar lesson. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.